The creator you're competing with right now isn't even real. And here's the scary part. Brands don't care. They just want content that looks polished, persuasive, and scalable. And AI is delivering that faster than any human can. We're entering an era where UGC creators are no longer just people sitting in front of their phone cameras. Instead, they're AI avatars, powered by scripts, voice clones, and hyper-accurate editing tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how 3 AI platforms, Heygen, ChatGPT, and Nano Banana, are reshaping the world of UGC. And by the end, you'll know how to build your very own AI UGC creator workflow step by step. Chapter 1. Why AI UGC matters. User-generated content, UGC, has exploded in the last few years. Brands pay creators thousands of dollars to make short, authentic-looking videos promoting products. Why? Because people trust UGC more than traditional ads. But here's the catch. Producing consistent UGC is exhausting. You need different looks, different backgrounds, endless product shots. That's where AI steps in. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't complain, and it lets you scale content production to levels humans just can't match. So let's break down the exact workflow, starting with the foundation, your AI avatar. Chapter 2, creating your AI avatar with Heygen. Step 1, start in Heygen. Head over to Heygen and choose the option, Start from a photo and design with AI. Why this matters. Instead of hiring actors or showing your own face, you can design a professional avatar that represents your brand or product niche. Think of it as your digital influencer, one that works 24/7. Step 2, customize the look. This is where precision matters. Your avatar should reflect your brand identity. Selling fitness gear? Make the avatar sharp, energetic, dressed for the part. Selling luxury products? Go clean, professional, high-end. In UGC, first impressions equal trust, and trust drives conversions. So your avatar's look is not just aesthetics, it's strategy. Step 3, test different options. One mistake many beginners make is settling for the first version Heygen spits out. Don't. Create a few variations. Slightly different styles, expressions, or vibes. You'll be surprised which one resonates more with viewers. Once your avatar is ready, it's time to give it a voice and a message, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Chapter 3, using ChatGPT for prompts, voices, and scripts. Step 4, craft a Heygen-friendly prompt. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, write me a Heygen-friendly prompt to design a confident, 25-year-old male avatar who looks like a fitness coach, wears athletic clothing, and speaks with energy. Why is this step so critical? Because Heygen is powerful, but it struggles without clear instructions. ChatGPT acts like a translator, making sure you get the exact avatar you want instead of wasting hours on trial and error. Step 5, choose the voice. In Heygen, you can use pre-made voices, but here's where you can stand out. If you want a unique voice, go back to ChatGPT and say, write me a prompt to generate a Heygen voice that sounds professional, calm, and trustworthy, like a financial advisor. Voice is half the personality. It's the difference between someone watching your ad for 3 seconds or 30. A voice that matches your avatar makes the whole experience believable. Step 6, write your product script. Now comes the selling power. Go to ChatGPT and type, write me a 30-second persuasive product script for a skincare brand targeting young professionals. Keep it casual but confident. Why this matters. The AI avatar is just the delivery system. The real persuasion comes from the words. And with ChatGPT, you can instantly create copy that's engaging, tailored, and even A/B tested across multiple versions. Now you have an avatar, a voice, and a script. But there's one more element, the product itself. Chapter 4, making your avatar sell products. Step 7, upload your product image into Heygen. This is one of Heygen's most underrated features. When generating a video, you can actually make your avatar hold the product or have it appear in the background. Why is this so important? Because UGC isn't just about talking, it's about showing. A viewer seeing a product in the avatar's hand feels far more authentic than a plain talking head. It replicates the same psychology as real influencers showing off what they're paid to promote. Chapter 5, solving the variety problem with Nano Banana. Now here's where many AI UGC creators fail. Variety. If your avatar always wears the same shirt, stands in the same room, and delivers every product demo in the same way, it looks robotic, and audiences will notice. Heygen already offers some background and outfit changes, but let's be honest, it's not 100% accurate yet. This is where our third tool comes in, Nano Banana. Step 8, use Nano Banana for accuracy. Upload your avatar image and change the clothes, the background, even the small details. For example, one day your AI influencer could be in a modern kitchen, the next in a sunny outdoor setting. Variety is what keeps UGC fresh. Real influencers don't film every ad in the same outfit. Your AI creator shouldn't either. Step 9. Re-upload to Heygen. Once you've edited the outfit or background in Nano Banana, download the file and upload it back into Heygen. Now your avatar looks new, professional, and most importantly, believable. Chapter 6. The complete workflow. Let's zoom out. Heygen is the body, your digital actor. ChatGPT is the brain, the words, the prompts, the scripts. Nano Banana is the stylist, making your avatar adaptable, realistic, and versatile. Together, they form a workflow that can replace traditional UGC creators, or better yet, scale them. Imagine producing 10 different ads in a single day, different outfits, different voices, different scripts, all without hiring a single person. That's the power of this evolution. So here's the reality. The next ad you see on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube might not even feature a real human being. And if you're still trying to compete by shooting shaky videos on your phone, you're already behind. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to multiply you, to give you infinite versions of yourself, speaking in any voice, wearing any outfit, standing in any environment. And if you know how to use these tools, you're not just another UGC creator, you're an AI UGC powerhouse. If you found this tutorial useful, hit subscribe, because the creators who understand this shift will own the next wave of content marketing. And if you want to start today, the 3 tools are Heygen, ChatGPT, and Nano Banana. The question is, will you watch AI replace you, or will you use AI to replace the competition?